This video shows our information visualization system for real-time energy use feedback using animation. Greenlite Dartmouth visualizes complex energy data in a dynamic, compelling, and meaningful interface. Our goal is to encourage people to change behavior in order to conserve resources. Total U.S. energy demand is projected to increase by more than 1/3 by 2025, with electricity demand rising by almost 40%. Current estimates are that as much as 60% of energy consumption is behavioral and can be reduced through behavioral changes and efficiency improvements. But in order to change behavior, people need information and motivation. We begin with an animation of a polar bear. When energy use is low, the bear is happy. But when energy use is high, the bear's well-being is endangered. At Dartmouth, students have fallen in love with the bear. They named him, and they tell their friends to conserve electricity to prevent him from drowning. Our system was developed by students at Dartmouth as part of a digital arts and computer science project. We pull information from digital meters and store it in a database. Data collected includes plug load, lighting, heat, city water, hot water, energy creation from solar and other renewables, as well as printer usage data. We use historical data to predict expected energy use for a particular time and day. Our mood algorithm scores the current usage and calls up an appropriate animation. Any computer with a web browser can view our display in real time. In fact, the displays update every 5 seconds. A thermometer on the left side of the screen shows power usage in kilowatts, as well as a score and other statistics. For the numerically minded, we show graphs. Our graphs tell the story of how consumption has changed over time. We display recent use compared with historical data for the relevant time and day. The user can interact with hourly, daily, or weekly graphs. At Dartmouth, we use oil to heat the buildings. We want people to understand that energy usage has an impact on the environment. We show the impact of heat usage through animated oil wells. Our display shows current time of day and weather. When it's dark in Hanover, it's dark in the display. In fact, everything in our display emphasizes the relationship between the student and the environment. We provide information about the project, tips for reducing consumption, and information about how a dorm is doing. Competitions between dorms further encourage students to conserve resources. At Dartmouth, we contribute to a renewable energy fund when students reach predetermined benchmarks. We've developed a Flash desktop widget for Mac and PC. Greenlite Dartmouth has already shown significant improvements in resource consumption. We are conducting additional user studies and working with sociologists to understand social norms around energy use. We've developed motion detection software to turn displays off when they are not in use. A 3D virtual Dartmouth imported into our game engine allows users to explore the campus and see energy data by building. That's all, folks. We hope to see you in New Orleans. Thanks for watching.